Guys, gupitan time na. Yan, mahaba na naman buhok ni Apam, kaya gupit na naman tayo.
I'm sure I need some ghost bells.
Simple lang ako magupit, guys. Ano to? Gupit, hindi ko alam.
Maybe you'll get back in the
But he likes it.
That's what?
I said that every time I do haircut on you, you like it. You
Yeah.
love it.
Yeah.
Since I come in here, siguro mabibilang lang siguro na mula nung dumating ako dito, mabibilang lang na nagpa-haircut sila. Pagka lang talaga yung wala akong time, busy ako. Hindi na niya ako pipilitin. Punta na sila sa barber shop. I think I need to do this one. I would like this one. This is for thinning hair.
Thinning? I don't need no thinning.
Oh, you don't need thinning?
I'm almost already thin.
Yeah, that's for thinning hair. I buy it. One in here, one in the Philippines. Mamaya naman guys, yung anak naman niya, yung anak niyang lalaki, magpapagupit din. Silang dalawa yan, sabay-sabay kung ginugupitan. Gupit ng buhok, gupit ng kuko. Gupit ng buhok, gupit ng kuko. Your nails need to cut too.
Yeah.
Okay, update ko kayo mamaya guys pag natapos. Oh guys, tapos na ang kanyang gupit. Gwapo na naman yung aking Apam. Yan, pinaiksian ko siya, ano tawag dito? Ginawa kong manipis tining kasi alam mo na para matagal ulit tumubo. Ayan, summer na kasi dito, mainit na. What you gonna say?
Thank you, honey. Oh, yeah.
How much?
I don't know. Lots.
Okay. Si Jeff naman ang gugupitan guys. Yan. Sobrang haba na ng buhok niya. Jeff, your head. Yan. Every month guys, once in a month, sila ginugupitan. Ang bilis umaba ng buhok. Ako talaga taga-gupit nila. Siguro kung nagpabayad ako, ang dami ko ng pera. Ay, magkano yung gupit ngayon? 35 yata? Yung gupit naman niya guys, kailangan ko lang talaga iklian kasi madaling humaba yung buhok niya. Ang kapal-kapal pa. Hindi pa marunong maligo. Di ba, Jeff?
Huh?
You don't know how to take a bath?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're relying on your dad to wash your hair? You don't know how to wash your hair, right?
Huh?
Yeah.
No, I messed
Yeah, you need to learn.
Did I mess up?
Messed up what? You need to do it by yourself. You're bigger man. You're big man. You're not a kid. You're a big man, big boy.
I can put the shampoo on my hair.
Yes. You need to do it by yourself. Wash your hair every day. Because so stink. That's why I put gloves. Oh, see you mamaya guys. Pagkatapos, pakita ko sa inyo. Tapos na guys. Tapos na ang kanyang gupit. Yan natin. Oh, yan. Good job.
I look good for tomorrow, Easter.
Handsome na.